Think about it. Toilet paper comes in hundreds of brands, different textures, and different prices. Yet almost every roll is the same color, white. Why? The answer begins long before the paper reaches the supermarket. Toilet paper is made from wood pulp. Fresh wood pulp isn't white at all. It's naturally brown because it contains a substance called lignin, the same material that gives wood its color and rigidity. During manufacturing, most of that lignin is removed, and the paper is bleached until it becomes bright white. But here's the interesting part. Manufacturers don't do it because white paper works better. They do it because people think it does. For decades, white has been associated with cleanliness, freshness, and hygiene. Hospitals use white sheets. Doctors wear white coats. Bathrooms are often designed with white tiles and fixtures. So when shoppers see white toilet paper, it simply feels cleaner, even though brown, unbleached toilet paper does exactly the same job. There is another practical advantage. A bright white sheet makes tiny defects, dirt, or contamination much easier to spot during manufacturing. That helps companies maintain consistent quality before the rolls are packaged and shipped. Of course, toilet paper doesn't have to be white. In fact, during the 1950s and 1960s, colored toilet paper became surprisingly popular. You could buy pink, blue, green, yellow, and even lavender rolls to match your bathroom decor. But the trend slowly disappeared. Colored dyes increased manufacturing costs, raised concerns about skin irritation, and changing tastes pushed people back toward simple white paper. Today, white toilet paper dominates store shelves almost everywhere. Not because it's stronger, not because it's softer, and not because it cleans better. It's white because manufacturing made it possible. Quality control made it practical. And decades of consumer psychology convinced us that white simply looks cleaner. Sometimes the most ordinary things around us aren't designed by necessity. They're designed by what we expect to see.